Good morning, students. This is Science, Lesson 8 Soil. In this video, children, you will learn about soil. So, children, now tell me, what is soil? What is soil? Children, soil is the top layer of the earth where all the plants grow, and it is impossible for plants to grow without soil. So, children, we can say that soil is very important for all living beings as most of the plants grow in soil. And children, directly or indirectly, we depend on plants. Plants grow in soil, and roots of a plant go into the soil to get water and minerals. Plants grow best in rich and deep soil. Which soil is rich, children? Soil that has manure. Soil that is fertile means if the soil is fertile, it has minerals. So, children, plants grow best in rich and deep soil. Now, let us study about formation of soil. Means, how do soil form? Children, do you know that millions and millions of years ago, our earth was a huge ball of hot gases, and slowly it was cooled down after many years. And after cooling, the outer layer of our earth was hard and it formed layers of rocks. Children, it is said that it takes about 1,000 years to make an inch of soil from these rocks. And weather is the important factor that helps in the formation of soil. Now, children, you will think that how weather helps in the formation of rock. So, children, when the weather gets hot, the rocks grow bigger, and when the weather gets cold, rocks become smaller. So, this continuous heating and cooling of rocks breaks them into smaller pieces. Flowing water pushes and rolls over these rock pieces and carries them to the far places and turns them into even more smaller pieces. When these small pieces get really small, then they turn into soil, which is called silt. When floods come, then the soil spreads over the fields. And children, this is how soil is formed. Rain, ice, and roots of plants also help in breaking the rocks. When soil is carried with water, that time, children, it get mixed with the remains of tiny animals and dead plants. So what are they called? The dead plants and animals that decay in soil form humus. They are called humus. Now let us learn about types of soil. Children, do you know that the type of soil depends on the parent rock from which the soil is formed and the substances that the parent rock contains? Parent rock is the original rock from which the soil is formed. There are many types of soil, but most common soil are sandy soil, loamy soil, and clay soil. We will study about them one by one. First, let us see what is clay soil. Clay soil is made of very fine particles and it is very sticky and smooth to touch. There is very little air in clay soil and lot of water can be held by it. Sandy soil. It has large particles that are loosely packed and there is lot of air in the spaces between particles. And sandy soil holds very little water. Next one is loamy soil. It contains both sand and clay. It is smooth and non-sticky. It always holds some water. It also holds lots of minerals and nutrients that are required for plants to grow. So children, you can also say that loamy soil is best for plants. Now let us study about components of soil. Children, soil on earth are different from one place to another. It means soil on earth contains different things. They are not same, and the things that they contain are also different. But most of the soil contains humus, clay, fine sand, moisture and air, coarse particles of gravel and small stones. What is humus? When dead animals and plants decay in the soil, they form humus. Clay is a type of soil. Sand is also a type of a soil. Coarse particles of gravels are big and small pieces of stones. Moisture and air. Okay children, these are the common things that soil contains. Now children, our next topic is horizons of soil, means layers of soil. Soil has different layers, but mainly soil is divided into three main layers, that is the upper part, topsoil, middle part, subsoil, and the third and the last part is the bedrock. Now let us study about them one by one. The first and the uppermost layer of the soil is topsoil, that consists loose soil with roots of plants and grass. Plants grow well in topsoil. The second layer of soil is subsoil. It is closely packed layer of soil that contains rock pieces and it is found under the topsoil. It is harder than topsoil. The third layer is bedrock. A layer of hard rock that is below the subsoil is the bedrock. Children, you have to learn this layers of soil along with the diagram. Uses of soil. Children, now let us study about different uses of soil. Children, you know many animals live in soil. From them children, we can see some animals and some animals we cannot see from our naked eyes. Some animals that we can see are rabbits, moles and mice. They make hole inside the soil and they live in that. Snails, snakes, earthworms, ants are also some animals that live in soil. So you can also say that soil is home of many animals. Plants grow in soil. If there had been no soil, we would have no plants and no food to eat. Soil provides water, air, and nutrients that a plant needs to grow. These things roots absorb from the soil. Crops grow well in fertile soil. Farmers make soil fertile by adding manure to it. Now children, you must be thinking, what is manure? So children, manure is animal dung that is used to make land fertile to grow crops. Some soil like sand are used for making buildings and glass. They are used to make building materials. Clay soil is used to make pottery items like pots, vase and many more things. Some soils are used in beauty treatments like multani mitti. Now let us see the factopedia of this lesson. A good garden soil has 45% rock particles, 25% of water, 25% air and 5% of other particles. Apart from clay soil, sandy soil and loamy soil, there is one more type of soil, that is rocky soil. Rocky soil is made of big and small pieces of rock, that is called gravel. It cannot hold water. Why? Because it is only made of big and small rocks. Earthworms and snail eat organic matter and the waste that comes out from their body makes the soil fertile. That's why it is said that earthworms are farmers' best friend. Life skill of this lesson. Soil supports life, so it should not be wasted. Soil supports life. How? How soil supports life? Because plants grow on the soil, and if there will be no soil, then there will be no plants. If there will be no plants, then there will be no animals and no human beings. And children, soil is also home of many animals. So it is said that soil supports life, and so we should never waste soil. A quick recall of this lesson, you have to study this of all lesson. Soil forms the topmost layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. It is the weather, ice and roots of plant that helps in formation of soil. The three main types of soil are clay soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Most of the soils have three layers, that is topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Soil is important for both plant and animal life. So children, now watch the video and read the lesson carefully. Next video and photo I'll send the exercise. Thank you very much.